Do you want to speak English more naturally and confidently? Then you must learn modal verbs and auxiliary verbs. They are small words, but they make a big difference in English grammar. Let's learn them step by step. Modal verbs. Definition. Modal verbs are helping verbs that show ability, possibility, permission, advice, obligation, necessity, or probability. A modal verb is always followed by the base form, the first form, of the main verb. Common modal verbs. Can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would, ought to. Rules. 1. A modal verb is followed by the base form of the verb, the first form. 2. Do not add to after most modal verbs. Exception, ought to. 3. Modal verbs do not change with the subject. Examples. I can copy. She can speak English. He could swim when he was 18. May I come in? It may rain today. We might visit Karachi tomorrow. You should study every day. I will help you. Would you like some milk? Uses of modal verbs. Can, ability. Example, she can cook. Could, past ability or polite request. Example, could you help me? May, permission or possibility. Example, may I come in? Might, weak possibility. Example, he might come later. Must, strong obligation or necessity. Example, you must follow the rules. Should, advice. Example, you should drink more water. Will, future action. Example, I will call you tomorrow. Would, polite offer or request. Example, would you open the door? Shall, suggestion or future. Example, shall we begin? Ought to, moral duty or advice. Example, we ought to help the poor. Next. Auxiliary and helping verbs. Definition. Auxiliary verbs, also called helping verbs, help the main verb to form tenses, questions, negatives, passive voice, and continuous forms. Main auxiliary verbs. Be, is, are, was, were, being, been, have, has, had, do, does, did. Functions of auxiliary verbs. 1. To make continuous tenses. She is reading a book. They were playing football. 2. To make perfect tenses. I have finished my homework. He had left before I arrived. 3. To make questions. Do you like coffee? Does she live here? Did they call you? 4. To make negative sentences. I do not understand. She does not eat meat. He did not come yesterday. 5. To make passive voice. The homework was completed. The cake is baked every morning. Examples. She is cooking. They are playing. He has finished his work. We had completed the work. Do you know the answer? Does he play cricket? Did she call you? Difference between modal verbs and auxiliary verbs. Modal verbs. Show ability, permission, advice, or obligation. Examples, can, should, must, will. Auxiliary verbs. help the main verb form tenses, questions, negatives, and passive voice. Examples: am, is, are, have, has, do, does. Excellent! Now you understand modal verbs and auxiliary verbs with their rules, uses, and examples. Practice these verbs daily to improve your English speaking and writing skills.